Hello traders, Mark P. Markets here. My name is Mark Principato. I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for watching another exclusive Bitcoin video analysis here for FX Empire. So in this session, I want to talk about two specific scenarios that I'm anticipating over the next few days. One is bullish, one is bearish. So let's get started. All right, so this is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Also, if you'd like to know more about Greenbridge investing, I will leave a link in the text portion of this analysis. You could learn about our swing trade strategy and our chat room and all that other stuff. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin. Now, here's the thing. I've been talking about this recently. Right now, we are at the 40K support area, as you can see. And I told our members, let the initial move unfold, and then we will look for the potential higher low or double bottom for a long signal. A lot of these big mouth gurus are going to tell you that this is a bearish trend. Yes, the structure, the recent structure coming off of this high is bearish. We have a series of lower highs and lower lows, but I would not call this a trend on this time frame because this broader structure over here, let me just draw a little box on that. This broader structure here is bullish, okay? So this move to where we are now is just a corrective structure within a broader bullish trend, which means when it finds a support and gives us a double bottom like it's trying to give us now, that would be a very attractive area for a new swing trade long. And that is the bullish scenario. Now, you can't just step in front of the level because a level alone is highly random. What I need to see are two things. I either need to see a bullish pin bar develop here over the coming day, because as you can see, there's a green candle in there right now, but it's way too early. This candle can change. It has the entire day to change. So either we get a bullish pin bar, which closes that way, or we get an inside bar, kind of like the way it looks right now, but it needs to close. Once the candle is closed, when the high of the candle is taken out, that would be a new buy signal off of a very attractive support area, the 40K area. It will also provide attractive reward risk because typical risk on this time frame is about 4,000 points. You could probably risk a little bit less than that, you know, if you're using 38K or something like that as your where you're putting your stop. Now, the long signal from here would be considered aggressive because it is going against this broader structure. If you want to be more conservative, you can wait until these resistances like 45K or 46K, that area is taken out first. And then you look for the next pullback. That requires a ton of patience. I know people aren't patient. They don't want to wait for such a thing. But a move like that can take a week or more to unfold. Just like this initial move. All the people that got sucked into this thinking that, you know, they were buying the bottom and this thing was going to 50K because they listened to all of their favorite gurus, now they get caught in this mess, right? Anyway, so here's the thing. The bearish scenario is this thing breaks 40K. Now, why do I even bring that up? Because the structure, while it's not a trend on the bigger picture, it's just a corrective move of the broader trend, the structure is still bearish. It's made up of lower highs, and where there are lower highs, a lower low is likely to follow, okay? If 40K is broken for whatever reason, 37K is the next support, and then 35K is the next support. That's why it's not wise to just step in front of this, okay? I will be looking for, if 40K breaks, I will be looking for a similar stability pattern like a double bottom at such a location, whether it's 37K or 35K for a new aggressive swing trade. Again, you have to wait for all these things to line up. You don't just jump in front of something like this. It requires a lot of patience. One other thing I want to mention is if Bitcoin breaks the 40K, all the altcoins that follow this thing are likely to break as well. Most altcoins follow Bitcoin, so it's wise to use Bitcoin as your overall guide, sort of like using the S&P against the stock. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with that. Again, if you have any questions, you can find me over at greenbridgeinvesting.com. We have swing trade signals and all that other stuff, so I encourage you to check that out. Otherwise, I want to thank you very much for watching. My name is Mark P. Markets. Thank you.